1. Lay the handkerchief with corners at the top and bottom. On a flat, clean surface, lay the handkerchief out flat and smooth it as much as possible. One corner should be near you and one should be opposite you. 2. Fold the bottom corner up to the top corner. Lift the corner that is closest to you and fold it up to the further corner. Make sure the edges are lined up as much as possible. With your left hand holding the handkerchief down against the table, smooth the crease with your right hand. 3. Pull the left corner across to the middle of the bottom. Place the index finger of your right hand in the middle of the crease at the bottom of the handkerchief. Lift the left corner and fold it across to the spot where your finger is. 4. Fold the right corner over to the left edge. Take the index finger of your left hand and place it on the bottom left corner of the handkerchief. Lift the right corner with your right hand and fold it over to the place of your left index finger. Be sure to smooth out all of the creases again. At this point, you can also iron the handkerchief briefly to make the creases are nice and tight. 5. Stuff the handkerchief into your pocket. Gently stuff the flat part of the handkerchief into your pocket, leaving 1 to 2 inches of the point sticking out the top of the pocket. When you place it into your pocket, the folded part should be against your chest. Ideally, the bottom of the handkerchief will rest on the bottom of the pocket, but it depends on the relative size of the pocket and handkerchief. This style works best with a solid color pocket square. The 1-point fold is good for formal or semi-formal occasions.